Hey, what's up guys, this is RH Bulls and today we have the brand new Hk9 Ultra 2. And you may know it comes with a very interesting feature of Chat GTP 2.0. So today I am going to show you how can you use it. Before starting the video, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. At first, let's open the WireFit Pro app and make sure the Bluetooth calling is enabled and it is connected to your device perfectly. Here we can see it is connected to the smartwatch. So let's follow the instruction given to this video. Let's open ChatGPT on this device. After scrolling down, here we have all apps, and after scrolling down, here we have the ChatGPT. Choose Smart Q&A and again Smart Q&A. In here I am going to ask a question for the demo. How to subscribe a YouTube channel? It takes some time to load it and it is still now loading. And finally it is showing the results. It's being fast forwarded to save your time. After some time it has finished its work, and here you can see some listing on how can you subscribe a YouTube channel. Please follow this. Saying just for fun, I hope you enjoy this video and a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.